Hi guys, so I'm gonna be doing this theme today called Farm Life. Let's start. Okay, first I'm gonna get this jumpsuit. Now I don't think I need to color it. It's good. Let's add an undershirt now. Okay. Where is it? Yeah, there it is. Oh, I can't find it. Oh, here. There it is. Okay. Now let's wear it. I think I want to color it white. Okay, color. Now let's move on to the next part. I forgot my skin color. Oh my god. Okay, I want to go for a not really tan look, but a tan look. I think this is nice. Okay, now I'm just gonna add a hair now. Yeah. Let's add hair. Okay, let's see which one we want. I think I wanna go for a bun. Okay. Can't really find it. I have to scroll a lot to find the bun. Okay. I can't really find the bun. It's so hard to find. OMG, I have to scroll a lot. Okay. I never get like curly hairs or stuff like those because I don't know why, but I just don't like curly hair. But the ones that are like, I don't know what, but like the ones that are like really, okay, wait. Oh my god, no, I don't need this one. No bangs. Okay, wait, I needed that one. Oh my god. I think I should make it blonde. Okay, now. Okay, let's get the face now. I want to go for like a very exhausted look. Okay, I want to get Glinda's face. That could be nice. Wait. Oh no, this is like has that line and stop, so I can't get it. Yunche's face, no. What should I get? Let's scroll to see if there's any more. Found it. Okay, I need this space. Come on, let's go now. Okay. Now I want to get shoes. I'm gonna get boots. Oop, wait, not sneakers. I needed boots. Let's get I don't know. Okay, these boots are nice. Okay. I don't know if I should get a bag. Let's just get some earrings. Did I get earrings? Oh my god, I can't get earrings. No, I don't need these. Okay, let me get earrings now. Some simple ones should be nice. Yeah, these are nice. Let's just color it white. Oh my god, I colored it. Yeah, so it looks like real diamonds. Okay, I'm gonna get this bat. Bat looks nice for like a shovel to be something. Okay, wait, I don't think I should get it. Should I? I don't know. Okay, I think I should get it. Okay. Do you think I need anything else, guys? A hat! Oh my god, I forgot the most important thing. A hat. No way. That is 1 star. That does not look like anything in Farm Life. Okay. Wearing complete. And if you guys are thinking, why don't I like put my face in videos? I just don't like putting my face in videos. I just like, you know, whatever. That's a 4. That's really good. Wearing complete. Okay. Oh, her name is Shla underscore what? Okay, this should be a 3. It's nice, good. Ooh, I forgot the hat, the most important thing. Oh my god. That is 1 star. 1 star, 1 star, 1 star. I'll just keep clicking. Okay, keep clicking, and we're done. Okay, this is my outfit. Of course, we can't forget the lilac and the satin. And I think I need harmony. And let's get confident. Post 28, post 28, post 28. Like the video if you like Angela's. I used to love when she used to upload like dress to impress videos, but she really doesn't do that now. But now she uploads a bit of MM2, which I love her doing that. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Doesn't look like farm life. I think I'm giving it a 3. It looks good, but does not look like farm life. Okay, word and complete. They won. Bye.